The Bible is not just a book, the Bible is the book. It's the most selling book and the most important book, not only for Christians, but even for the world. It's also the most hated book. Many people try to destroy this book because this book has power. Now, in the new e-course, I dive in deeper into how we got the Bible, about the Apocrypha, why Catholic Bible has more books than the Christian Bible, as well as on the symbols of the Bible, the purpose of the Word of God, and how to receive a daily word from God, the difference between Rhema and Logos, as well as what we should do with our Bibles and how to study the Bible. I believe that every Christian should be equipped on how to study the Word of God, because the Word of God is the sword of the Spirit, and you have to be armed for battle by learning how to use this sword. So enroll today, go to vladschool.com and enroll into the Bible e-course.